today I'm in preparation for my daughter's LOL birthday, her 8th birthday. I'm cleaning off walls, moving stuff around, getting ready. So I wanted to show you some of the decorations that I have to kind of transform to a LOL land birthday party for her. And so I have backdrops, I have my favorite curtain fringe, balloons, I have tons of other balloons somewhere. LOL balloons, that's gonna be super cute. We have banners, more balloons. I need to see if I can find another one if I have time, but this actually came for the Dollar Tree. Isn't this amazing? You can spell out her name actually. See, I've used it already on some of the stuff that I have, because I have these hanging lanterns. One of the things I did decide to do, which I did not bring down and I will show you later, is I want to mix something in. So it's going to be LOL with the accent of bow decoration. So I have Garland that I've made that I will show you. And then this is going to be super cute. And this, you will see later, this is like a lot of LOL with inspirational stuff on there. I'm going to make a whole wall dedicated towards her, which you will see. It's going to look really cute. And so I just wanted you to see before some bow balloons as a fun accent, that we'll have those put up too, and lots of LOL balloons somewhere. So I just wanted you to get an idea to see. And then really quickly over here, this is stuff I had up already for her birthday, and I just took it down because her party's afterwards. Another LOL backdrop. We got LOL birthday banners, little LOL hangy things. I had made that and had that on the table, LOL balloon stand. And this is going to be really fun right here. This is like a decorative LOL thing. She got it for her birthday. Her party is the weekend after her birthday, coming up in a couple days. But I'm going to use this for her decorations. They're big LOL dolls that stand up, so they'll be really cute. I told her we could decorate them after the party when we have more time. And so this is like before, and got a lot that I plan to add and to do, and just to make it really, really fun. So stay tuned, and then we'll keep recording as we go along and show you how we're coming along. Right here, I am starting to blow up balloons. I'm blowing up the happy birthday balloons. I have other balloons I'm about to blow up. Now, I am using this. We also have electrical pumps I like to use, but I'll use this. This is a pump from like a blow-up bed, and then it has the attachment which makes them blow up fast. So if you have one of these, use these to blow up the balloons. If you don't have another way, that can go fast too. So let's go ahead and get some more balloons up, and then we'll check back in. This right here, I just opened it up. I didn't know it was all going to be connected, so I was surprised when I pulled it out, but we will see. I'm still going to use it. I don't have time to get anything else. I thought it was going to be cursive, but somehow separate and big like that, but it's a little bit smaller, but I'll still work with it. So I'll show you what it looks like after I blow it up. So it's definitely smaller than what I expected, but for what I'm going to put it at, it'll work with. So we'll see in the end what it ends up looking like. Okay, so what we're going to do now is get this scene setter backdrop put up on this wall. This is going to be the wall I'm going to have food and snacks set up on over here. And so I'm just getting this put up. It should look really cute and just be big enough to just fit on this little wall in here in my kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and get that put up. And so I'm getting ready to put this up. This was the like motivational LOL fun things that I described my daughter, and I did her a name in LOL. And this is above the fireplace. I have a lot of holes up there from taking down the clock. There was a TV up there, but I'm gonna see if I can cover them up because this is the wall I want to use. So I will show you afterwards and see if we get this thing figured out. So that turned out cute. That's above the fireplace wall. The big number 8 I'm working on is gonna go there. Probably put curtain fringe behind. These I found on Amazon. They're really cute, like porch signs, and I'm about to put those up on either side of the TV. And then when I blow up my bow balloons, we'll put those up right above there too. So. And these were my bow balloons that I blew up. These I end up hanging from the ceiling. You'll see that in a little bit, but I like the way that they turned out. I wanted to put them up here over the fireplace, but I went ahead and just went with the cutout ones instead. This was me attempting to hang them up, but I realized they were not double-sided. They were just one-sided cutout, so I'll have to use these to hang from the ceiling. These are Shimmer wall panels, and we're gonna get these all put together and get these put up on the wall. They're gonna be really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with these. These are gonna be really pretty when we get them together. Now, the only thing, I had to turn them over, and then there's these clips that we're gonna use to clip. You see these little holes right here to clip these, to clip the holes together like that. But what you have to look for when you turn it over are there's arrows. Right here you can see a little bit. Let me see if I can get you. Right there. There's arrows that point up to let you know, make sure the panels are faced up when you clip them together. Put one in that side. This is how you hold it together. The old ones had the zip ties. You put a clip there, a clip there. And then, let's see. Again, make sure the arrows there are pointing up. Okay. It's clipped here and here. And next we're gonna clip here and here. It's kind of hard working on carpet, but you just clip that down there. Okay. And then you get that and you clip that down there. The ceiling with the bows that I have. I think I'm gonna try to hang one more right here in the corner towards the front, but we kind of did a row in a roundabout way of the lantern, so I think that turned out to be pretty cute. We'll do one more right there. Okay, so I was able to find my LOL balloons. So I was able to put some up, but here are things looking so far. I hung a couple balloons from the ceiling. There. I got my shimmer wall up. It's looking great, and I have a cute little light up sign that says "Let's Party." I'm gonna put up. And there's the kitchen so far. So I think I'm gonna work on the cabinets. I got my 8, I still have to finish that. And I think I'm gonna work on finishing the cabinets with some more decor over there. And then I have some, as soon as I find it, some iridescent curtain fringe I'm gonna put up right here. Oh, here it is. This iridescent curtain fringe I'm gonna put up to cover up the fireplace. So I think I'm gonna do that. And then I actually have some matching from a couple years ago that's like shorter, that was for a table skirt. And what I'm gonna do is what I did a couple years ago, I'm gonna do it again. We'll put it in the entryway right here from the kitchen. So I'm gonna get some more things like that. Hey, I finished gluing together my number 8 and just set it up in front of the fireplace. I have a step-by-step tutorial of how I made this mosaic number 8. Make sure you check that video out right after this one. See, it's getting dark. Tomorrow I'm going to fill. The first thing I'm going to do is get the balloons for that together and get my balloon garland together. That's going to go over here. Underneath there is going to be that pink happy birthday underneath the balloon garland that's going to go over the window. I'm going to fill the balloons with the number 8. For the rest of the night, I'm just gonna try to do any more hanging that I have to do. Okay, I got balloons ready to go. So, just gonna start putting in balloons. We'll come back when we're all finished. I'm gonna pull out the garland bows that I made. So these are the garland bows. I'm about to get ready to hang them. They will be hung here from the entryway. To me, it looks good. I'm going to leave it. It's a little bit lower, but actually I really like the way that it turned out. And I'm gonna add some bow cutouts and 2 LOL balloons in the corners. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done and then secure the bows up just a little bit more. So it looks great. I have everything secured up the bows, and I decided to leave the length because this is how I made it and I like it. And then I put up the bows and some LOL balloons in the corner. And hopefully before the night is over, I get to start working on the LOL floor, which is the walk-in red carpet or pink carpet or whatever. And then this is a wall I'm about to work on more. Right now, I'm gonna put curtain fringe up. This is the curtain fringe, pink, blue, and purple that I'm gonna go ahead and it's gonna get hung up on this wall with a couple LOL balloons and a couple other things. So that's what we're gonna work on right now. So this is the curtain fringe I put up in the hallway in the front, and now I'm going to go ahead and get some LOL balloons. I only got a couple left, but in a couple bow balloons, I think we're gonna try to get those put up. Hey friends, I just left out a whole lot, but this is the walk-in runway, or whatever you want to call it. I'm putting LOLs and bows and LOL dolls on there. I got a while to go, but hopefully I can knock it out within 40 minutes or so. And this right here is what I use. This is a table runner. And it's very easy because it's wide and you just run it across, and I tape it down at the sides. That way it protects it from coming up fast. And then also I put tape kind of to secure these to make sure they stay on there. So I'll show you the finished product. It's like 11 o'clock, and if you can see, this was the fringe that I had hanging. The problem was it was blocking. I didn't get to record it when it was just hanging. It was blocking through the view of being able to see the ceiling in the kitchen, and I didn't like that. And had an idea of making it mini curtains, kind of. So I just wrapped tape around the middle of it. And then I had some more of these lanterns and just hung that one in the very middle. And I kind of like it. This way you can see through still to the kitchen, and there's still something up there for decorations. And then I'm turning around so you can see through to the living room. And also very pretty because you can see the shimmer of the light. You can see through to the living room from the kitchen. And then it goes with the iridescent wall panels right there. So I thought that turned out to be really cute. So I just got done blowing up some balloons to work on a balloon garland. I'm gonna put the balloon garland together, but there is a vent there. And I think last time I put it over there, shrank some of the balloons. So I'm gonna put it together, but wait until like before I go to bed or sometime later tonight to put it up. But here we have it. Hey friends, so I just had the most difficult time getting this balloon garland up, but I got it up. It's by the air vent. Hopefully, I just need it to last 2 days, but I wanted you to see that I was able to get it up, and it looks pretty good. And it was the perfect size to stretch across the window. Hey friends, I realized I hadn't recorded in a while. I'm trying to get some stuff knocked out, but this is what I set up for. This will be snacks and fruit, and the cupcakes and the cookies that I'm making will be over here. These I love so much. Actually, I'll have to show you when I finish. I'm gonna put candy in here. I got these from a store. They were empty boxes. I was like, I'm gonna take this. This is gonna be candy that'll be able to get in here, and then this one is gonna be chips that'll be set up in there. So, and then this, I personalized it for my daughter. I love it. This will be the stand for the little Oreo covered candies I'm gonna make with little LOL images on there. It's gonna be so cute. And then I also thought that was cupcakes. I'm like, wait, I have a cupcake stand. So this is my cupcake stand I'm gonna put together that will be for the cupcake. So I'm so excited. And as you can see, everything is a mess, but it's looking great. And we're gonna keep moving forward. Hey friends, my refrigerator for a second, but these are chocolate candy dipped Oreos and edible LOL little things. So it's really easy. I have some melted chocolate here. These are the edible LOLs. So cute. I have some melted chocolate here. All I'm doing is dipping an Oreo. And then I put it in the refrigerator so it can harden. So I'm literally just taking chocolate and covering up the Oreo. And I'm just using some regular tongs kind of to just find them here. Hopefully my spoon doesn't fall over, and it wants to, and scoop them out. and that's not what I wanted to happen. But, and scoop them out and just putting them on there. And then I put the LOLs right on the top. So really cute, fun thing. And then I'm gonna wrap them up in individual bags to make them look like super cute, like party favorite snacks. So those should be fun. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and that notification bell. Check out my video, how I made the mosaic number 8. Make sure you check out my website, EstersRoyalPartyDesign.com, and have a royal day.